A lot of visitors to Jordan go to the Dead Sea, but they don't know that right next to it there's a place called Ma'in, which is known for its hot springs. And we're going there today. He says that it's also...
all of Belgium.
Yeah. I think he's also referring to... there's a derogatory term for Palestinians.
Yeah.
And they call Palestinian Belgians because after the war and a lot of Palestinian refugees came here, they sent aid and Belgium sent aid and they branded the clothing with the word Belgium. So people that were racist against Palestinians would call them Belgians, and that's a term that is still used now. We arrived at the hot springs and there are a lot of Arab men here. I think Leila and Zidana are the only women here. The water is about 50 degrees from minerals and from the volcanic ground that makes it hot. And there's another waterfall there, a very big one, over there. But that one belongs to a museum, belongs to a hotel. You can only go there with a hotel pass.
I didn't expect it to be so hot.
It's so hot?
It's so hot.
No way, I think it's so...
It's actually really hot.
It's a bit too warm to get in the water because it's 36 degrees outside and I think the water is like 70 degrees. Yeah, there's no water where you have to be in. There is a, under the waterfall here, I'm now walking under the waterfall. There's a natural sauna here in this cave. And it's very hot in here. I think the best time to come here is in the winter.
Where are you coming from?
Belgique.
Oh, Belgium. What do your language speak? French?
French and Flemish. Dutch.
Dutch? German?
Dutch. No, there's Deutsch and Dutch.
Oh.
It's a different language.
Really?
But I speak French as well.
French.
And I'm Bedrus Arabi hon.
Wallah, mashallah. You are welcome.
Shukran. Ma salam.
Assalam.
I just don't think I can sit down, because then my balls will burn. It's too warm. I feel dizzy. My god, if I stay in for long, I really feel like I'm gonna pass out. Khalas, it's not worth it, it's too warm. It's really a nice place here. You can also picnic around here. There's a lot of people picnicking in the forest here. Okay, Leila has a beautiful song for us.
Translation of a Lebanese song.
First Lebanese.
What?
No, just first sing in Arabic.
كلن عندهم سيارات وجدي عنده حمار بيركبنا خلف وبياخدنا مشوار البوليس يأشر له يزمل له السيارات تزمل له طاط طاط طاط. So all of them have cars and my grandfather has a donkey. He takes us to ride it and the police stop him and the cars go beep beep beep. That's it, that's a song. It's a very famous song. And a rock. Her butt got stuck on the rock. Her mom got stuck on the rock? Yes, her mom pulls and her daddy pulls and then Buck. The cock came. The cock came. إجا الديك. The cock came.
And how is cock in Arabic?
Deek.
Really? Wait, cock as in the male chicken?
Yes.
The word in Arabic is deek.
Deek.
Wow. And how is the penis cock in Arabic?
Zip.
Zip.
أو air.
Just remember this song that my dad used to keep singing for me.
Okay.
لكن عاد اسمع بحبه واي واي كبيته بالبلوعة واي واي اجا سيدو ضربني واي واي ضربني بالعصاية واي واي عصاية بنت العسكر
Why?
تشرب حليب وتسكر.
Why? The last line is she drinks milk and gets drunk. That's the last line. The song doesn't make any more sense.
Apparently there was a belief between Palestinians that when you drink alcohol and then you drink milk, then the milk makes you not smell like alcohol, or it doesn't make you look like you drank alcohol. So she drinks milk to hide the alcohol.
Drunkenness.
So she keeps drinking alcohol and then drinking milk.
I don't think that works.
No, I don't think so.
I think they're talking about more like Shanina, because Shanina actually helps with hangover and so on.
This must be a wedding. When they go take the bride from her house to where she's gonna get married,
So
the cars all follow each other. Yeah, I guess to make sure she's gonna go to the
We're now driving through Madaba, which is a city in the south of Amman, because we're on our way back to Amman. Leila, what is Madaba known for?
Mostly churches.
Okay.
Churches, Mount Nebo.
Mount Nebo.
Churches and Mount Nebo.
Mount Nebo is the mountain where Moses looked over the promised land.
And it has a majority Christian population, which is not typical for Jordan.
Okay.
It also has some of the major universities in Jordan. The German University and the American University are both in Madaba, and King's Academy is also an important school here. واحدة نسكافيه بحليب وواحدة نسكافيه زي ما هي.
What are the signs?
I don't know all of them. But this is obvious for cigarettes. Sometimes they do a naughty one for extra milk.
Not a lot of sugar. Which one was for like no sugar at all? Something like that.
So in Jordan they have a lot of these signs if you want to get coffee from out of the car, because Jordan people, they never want to leave their car. You can do anything in the car in this country, including ordering coffee from the side of the road, and then you can do this for
medium sugar.
Mid sugar.
Yeah.
It's milk with sugar, coffee with sugar.
Yeah, medium sugar, and this is good, like a lot of sugar.
No, I don't know.
I think it
And then this is milk.
No.
Yes, that's milk. He's laughing at you.
Where are from?
Belgique.
Nice to meet you.
شكرا. شرفنا. We arrived back in Amman and we're now gonna eat some food at Leila's house. She lives just down from the block from our house. Hello, you fool.
You fool! Me hummus. You like my jokes?
Yes, very much. You should make a job out of this.
Welcome to my crib and city crib. Hi, Zaura! I missed you. Hi, Katkufe. This is Katkufe.
Kaskusa.
Katkufe.
You know what that means? Leila has a very beautiful house with a lot of artworks in there.
Thank you.
And now we're gonna eat something here at Leila's place. See you next time. Yeah, I'm coming!